Yo, welcome back, my friend. Let's begin. Pronunciation game. We're driving in. Last time we said vowels are the key. Now let's hit the first one. Say it with me. Eh, eh. Give this shit. It's short and quick, don't make it deep. Say it like ship, not like sheep. Your mouth is shell, your tongue is high. Keep it light, don't over try. Don't mix up with E, that's long and sleek, like seat, beat, or leave when you speak. Listen close, ship, sheep, ship, sheep. Can you tell the play that little sound can change what you say? Practice with rhythm. Repeat with me, let's train your ear. Ship, sheep, now make it clear. Sit, seat, yeah, feel the beat. Live, leave, you sound the lead. So keep that short, keep that flow tight. We're leveling up your English right. Follow me for sound number 2, cause every vowel's got a vibe for you.